browser and head to this website, which is garena.sg. By the way, all the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Now once you're in the website, click on the login button up here and then click on register a new account. Now just like any other website, set your username, password and email ID and then create an account. Now you need to remember the username and password that you put here because we'll be needing that later. So once you're done with this, again head back to the Garena website and up here select platform and then click on Pubg Pc. Now click here on download now to begin the download of the Garena app. Now let's download our last software for today, which is called Proxyfire. For that, head to this website. Again, link is in the description below. So once here, click on download Proxyfire button to start the download. That's all for our resource gathering. Now we need to install both of them. So I've got them both here on my desktop and I've even installed them since the process is very simple and nothing that you haven't done before. So finally, we need to download Pubg Pc Lite in our system. So for that, open Garena app. Now here, put your username and password that we set back at the Garena website and then click on login. Now here you can see Pubg Lite's banner, but you won't see it the first time. So what you need to do is click on the settings button up here and under the region option select Thailand since Pubg Pc Lite is currently available only in Thailand. Then click on save and you'll see it appear here just like this. Now we'll click on it to open. Here you can see the option to install the game and its minimum and recommended system requirements, which are pretty impressive as this game can even run on low-end PCs without any dedicated graphics card. So we click on install and change the location to wherever we want. I've created an empty folder by the name of Pubg Pc Lite in my F drive, so I'll select it. And now as you can see that the download has started. So let it do its job, and as the file is just 2 GB, it'll not take a lot of time. So the download is now complete and it took me about 30 minutes or so on my Reliance Jio network. So the game is now downloaded, but we're not done. Since the game can only be played on Thailand server, we've got to change our IP addresses so that it can work on our system. So the first thing that we need to do is change our system's time zone to that of Thailand's. So in order to do that, right click on the date and time here on the bottom right corner and then click on adjust date and time zone. Now here disable set time zone automatically and here under the time zone change it to Bangkok. This step is very important if you don't want to face any errors. So now let's move on to the last step, which is changing our IP addresses. So in order to do that, open Proxyfire app. Now the advantage of using this app over a VPN is that it gives you unlimited access for 31 days and you can change the IP address manually to get the best experience, which is only available in VPNs via a paid or premium membership. Now don't be worried by seeing that it's only available for 31 days, as the global version for Pubg Pc Lite will be released soon, maybe even before 31 days. And in case it doesn't, I'll make a video on how you can change IP address using another app, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Now since everything is clear, let's move forward. So once the app is open, click on Profile and then click on Proxy Servers. Here click on Add. Now open Chrome and visit this website. Here you'll find all the working IP addresses that you can use and its current working state. So here we select country as Thailand and protocol as SOCKS 4/5. Now understand this carefully. Here you need to see which IP address is gonna work for you. The IP addresses that's got all these 3-bar screen will work for you. So select anyone and copy its address and port and paste it back in our app. Once done, click on the SOCKS version 4 option and hit OK, then yes, then OK, and again OK. That's it. So we'll head back to our Garena app and from there we'll launch the game. So this video was a bit lengthy, but apart from the last step, you don't need to follow any other step again. And once done, you can close the Proxyfire app by just clicking on this arrow button and then right clicking this grey box and then selecting exit. So now let's launch the game and see what we get. So I'll be fast forwarding a bit to save you time and start the match. Now from the initial impressions, the game seems buttery smooth, unlike anything that we saw in the Tencent Gaming Buddy emulator. But in case you still want to play in Tencent Gaming Buddy and you're facing lag, then here's a card to a video which will help you to fix it by increasing the paging memory size. It will help you to get decent and consistent frames regardless of the system that you're using. So check it out if you're interested. The link to that video will be in the description box below. Now let me know in the comment section below for any questions that you might have regarding this video and I'll help you fix it. Also let me know if you'd like to see the full gameplay of this game along with all the differences between this game and the Tencent Gaming Buddy simulator. And if you like to see this kind of videos where you get to know about something useful tech related stuff that can be used by any common person in everyday life, then please consider subscribing to my channel because I bring a lot more videos like this and a lot more on a regular basis. So this was it for today and I'll see you guys in my next one.